Hi and welcome everyone. This is Daniela for the Kid Club and I'm working with the July kids today. And it's Mixed Media Monday, so I start my page by creating a mixed media background, and I want to have a soft and dreamy background today, so I mix some Lindy's powders with acrylic paint and some water, and you see that it is a really soft color, a pale blue green tone, and I want to create the style that we have in the papers and the acetates, so a bohemian style maybe, and that's why I also add some sprinkles in light pink, and then some golden splatters, and then I will mix up everything so that we have a nice bohemian background. Yes, well, the kids are all exclusive today again, and or this month, and yeah, I really like the soft touch of all the embellishments and papers that we get, and yeah, this is perfect for creating dreamy pages, and I also like all the wood grain patterns and the natural materials that we can find in the embellishments. Okay, we have two pictures for this page, and I want to work with those nested chipboard stickers. I'm going for the circles this time, and I filled the blanks with papers from the kit, and here I have one of those acetate mandalas. I have to cut off some of the outstanding pieces from the acetate piece, and now I can arrange my circles here, and yeah, I really like this dreamy touch of those acetate die cuts, and the colors are just so pretty. And yeah, there are also some other circle shaped embellishments included in the kit, like the little paper die cut. We also have got wood veneers, and we also have got circle pieces in the build flower pack. Yeah. All right, so here I really want to use this pretty leaf from the die cut pack, and I've got another cut file piece left from another layout I made. So I'm using these two pieces here, and now I have to see if everything can stay this way or if I have to replace something. So I'm starting to adhere my different elements to the page now, and yeah, that's a thing I do mostly. I just first of all I place everything on the cardstock, and then I rearrange everything until I feel that yeah, it is a perfect fit, and only then I start adhering all the different elements to my page. This way I can make changes without damaging anything. And I'm always working with those glue pads, because that way I can even rearrange things later, because yeah, I'm not the perfect planner person. I just most of the time I just start scrapping and see what the outcome is later. So I don't have a plan for my page at the beginning. I'm just, a messy kind of scrapper type. Okay, so this is the basic look of my page, and now I can just start to add some more details and embellishments. First of all, I thought that those feathers would be nice, but yeah, I don't think they really fit, so I'm going for the little bird. My daughter is wearing a dress with birds all over print, so the bird is a perfect embellishment here. Then I have the pretty little heart, and yeah, I think that not much more is needed, but of course I want to have a nice title, and I love these alphabet stickers which we have included in the main kit, and they are really pretty. I love the design, and also the color, of course. And first of all, I thought that it would be a good idea to have the title here on top of the picture, but then I felt that it is too heavy, and so I changed it later. Yeah, so this is what it looked like first, but then I felt no, I have to place one of those words here underneath the picture, and then I can then I have two elements, and it is a more balanced design, I feel. Okay, so the hay has to be rearranged as well, and yeah, this is a good way to have the title, I guess. Okay, so now I can flip through my embellishments and see what else I can add. I always have all my packs next to me and flip through everything that I got to see what else I can use, and I like using lots of different embellishments, and this time I really wanted to have some wood veneers, and we have circle elements here too, and we have some phrases, and I'm using two of these phrase stickers, and of course I also want to use some other shapes like these leaves that we have on the wood veneer sheet, and of course another circle. So this way I have different circle elements on my page. I have the wood veneers, and also the chipboard stickers, and the paper die cut. Then I felt that maybe I could add some blanks, but I thought that this is enough. So the only thing that is left or missing is a paper frame, so I cut off some stripes, and then I want to place my cardstock on the pretty Dreamy paper so that I have a nice Dreamy paper frame. And that's it. Now I want to add the date, and then I have a nice Dreamy page which documents another day of our summer vacation, and I feel that the colors match the dress my daughter is wearing very well. Well, thanks a lot for stopping by today, and have fun using your kits, and don't forget to share your work in the Hip Kit Club group on Facebook. Bye bye.